Meron tayong bagong package. Needle style glue, famous trademark, China. Magic glue, B7-000, multipurpose adhesive. (110 ml), 3.71 ounce fluid ounce. This is used for pasting electronics component. Okay, this is the box. Then that is the needle, and the color of the glue is white. Clear color. This is used for gluing an electronics component. Okay, close. B7-000 GSE. Then the other one, we have this KEDA solder wire. (1.2% flux, made in China. This is 0.5 millimeter, the size of the lead, and 0.15 meter, that is the length. KEDA, the finest quality solder wire. Lead contains 37% lead PB. Tin 60%. 63. So this is 0.5 millimeter in diameter. Let us see the size of the solder. So this is the size of 0.5 millimeter. Good for soldering IC component. 0.5. And also we have this KEDA 0.3 millimeter in diameter, 0.15 meter length. Also 63% SN, 37% PB, 37% lead, 63 tin. Okay, 1.2% of flux, made in China. Diameter 0.015 inches. Flux 1.2%. KEDA. Let us see the inside of the wire, the size of the wire. Okay.
The size of the wire is 0.3 millimeter, smaller than 0.5. This one is 0.5. 0.5, 0.3. So this is smaller than this one. So these are our package. 2 soldering lead and 1 super glue B7-000 for pasting electronics component. Super glue.